If you're planning a trip to Japan and want the best eSIM to stay connected without paying crazy roaming fees, you're in the right place. Hi, I'm Lewis, and after testing dozens of eSIMs while traveling, today I'm breaking down the top 2 best eSIM options for Japan in 2025. I'll break down the pricing, data, and what you actually get. And yes, I've also included discounts in case you're interested. Links are in the description. Alright, let's get into it. The eSIM provider I recommend for Japan is Airalo. If you're looking for cheap and flexible plans, Airalo is a strong pick. For Japan, the options start with 1 GB for $4.50, valid for 7 days. There's also 2 GB for $6.50, valid for 15 days. For heavier data users, Airalo offers 3 GB for $8.50, 5 GB for $11.50, 10 GB for $18, and 20 GB for $26, all valid for 30 days. The app is super simple to use. Once you buy a plan, you get a QR code instantly and you're good to go. If you ever need more data, you could top up right from the app. Use the link in the description to automatically receive a 10% discount as well. If you already tried Airalo and didn't like it so far, or maybe you weren't satisfied with the options they offer, then I recommend Maya Mobile. I've tried it myself and they are great. If speed and simplicity matter most, Maya's plans offer solid value. You've got 10-day options like 3 GB for $7.19, 5 GB for $10.79, and 10 GB for $17.09, along with 20 GB for $24.29 and even unlimited data for $26.99. Everything is 5G enabled and activates instantly. Maya has solid coverage and a clean website. Just pick your destination, pay, and you're connected. There's no app involved. Now, let me explain how to get started with Maya and claim your discount. When you click the link in the description, it takes you to Maya's homepage. Type Japan into the destination search bar and a list of available plans appears. Choose the one that fits your needs. At checkout, you then see the 10% discount automatically applied. Once you complete payment, a QR code pops up instantly. Scan it with your phone and your eSIM activates in minutes. So, which one should you choose? Airalo or Maya Mobile? If you want the best overall deal, especially for light usage or long stays, Airalo takes the top spot. The plans are flexible and the app is user-friendly. If you prefer short-term high-speed use, Maya Mobile is a great choice, especially with the unlimited option. Both links are in the description with exclusive discounts already applied. Pick the one that suits your trip best, follow the steps, and you'll be connected in Japan in just a few minutes. No roaming, no SIM card swaps, no stress. Safe travels, and I'll see you in the next video.